You see, this does this, and then the perpetrator is caught.
Those are legit handcuffs because he had me.
All right.
And it was not.
Can I have my handcuffs back now?
Yeah, that's kind of cool, though.
Thank you.
They're legitimate law enforcement.
Now.
Handcuffs.
I said you don't have the key.
Exactly.
This isn't cool.
Are you going to be like Houdini and escape?
Houdini did a straight jacket.
He did.
He did other things too.
I'm not as good as Houdini, so I'm just going to work with handcuffs.
Okay, cool.
Now this takes a minute, so I just need to focus, all right?
Are you going to break them?
Wait, this is Kung Fu school. You should break them. Use your chi.
That's actually the whole premise of my act in Chinese.
Really?
Yeah.
Chi?
Yes. Just because it works. All right. So I do need to concentrate for this. I really need to focus, so I just need you guys to be quiet for me. Can you do that?
I don't know. Okay, I'll try.
All right. At least you're quiet. I mean, and there goes my concentration. Okay.
Ooh,
Fancy.
nice.
I do want to know how you did that one. I have had some less than reputable dealings.
Handcuffs are...
They're real handcuffs.
I know. I'm
Handcuffs
saying,
are-
how do you do that?
Yeah, you can't get out of real handcuffs. Or I can't.
Hey, you can. I'm magic.
And we've seen that. Obviously, you're not.
All
Which
right.
file do I take?
I have one more card trick.
Can I be the card
Is this
trick
the last trick?
person?
One more card trick, and then my final trick.
I want to be the card trick person.
Okay, get in there.
Okay. Well, you can stay there.
Oh,
She
alright.
wants to be on
Don't
camera.
worry.
This is her big break.
No, it's okay. Whoops.
Oh, God.
Just give me a second.
I'll pause
Is that
this.
part- is this